Alright, so here we are in the other disaster area. We're inside the Kenwood preamp. What is this thing? This is a stereo control amplifier model KC206. Sixes look like eights. Handwriting's almost as bad as mine. That's a terrible thing. So I don't know how well this is going to show up, but this area of the board back here around this power supply regulator, mostly this also looks like it's gotten warm. It's a little dark. I don't see anything exploded or smoked, but it's definitely gotten warm. Some of that shadow from the light, so it's not there. That kind of shows it, I guess. So there's that. Not much inside of this, but the way these typically work, you see here's your power cable coming in, outlet, relay that switches the outlet on and off. The transformer here is a constant feed from the wall, and don't worry, it's not plugged in. I'm not going to electrocute myself on camera. That would be kind of stupid. So anyway, 110 volt in to the primary of the transformer. Looks like it has multiple secondaries here, so I'm going to have to check these for continuity, see if I've got an open winding. This probably has a couple different output voltages. I don't know what they are offhand. Maybe 5 and 12 volt. Let's see, the capacitor there, let's see, that says 18 microfarad, 5.5 volt, and these ones over here are 35 volt, so maybe 5 volt and, I don't know, 24 or 30 or so will be the other one. So anyway, typically the way these things work, you have a low voltage standby supply, which is what the power switch works from. When you hit the power switch, a constantly powered circuit, that monitors the switch, engages the relay back here, which turns on everything else. My guess is that the low voltage standby circuit is not working because it does not turn on. I just noticed that diode there looks like, you can't really see it too well because this thing doesn't focus. Come on. Nope, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Yep, just makes it bigger and blurrier. It looks kind of green, so I'll have to see if the lead broke on that. And I'm gonna pop this board out of here and check the solder joints after I check the transformer. So hopefully this doesn't present itself as anything major, because if it's, one of the chips, basically I can't fix that in a practical way, or I'm certainly not going to bother with it. At that point this just becomes trash, because I don't care that much. That looks like the op amp, yeah, that's actually the active amplifier back there. I think that should be the op amp. These here look mostly like let's see, the LC4966. I think this one might be an op amp as well. Flat amp. Don't know what that means. That may be just straight gain. That's also got a 4570 op amp in it. So, power supply, I know what that is. Great. Alright, this must be the equalizer stuff. GEQ amp. Flat amp. This must be a straight gain stage. This may be the phono preamp then. EQ amp. No, it's marked EQ amp over there. Anyway, whatever it is, I'll poke around in this thing and see what I can find and report back. Or not. Cheers.